What's up everybody, Greg Hitchko here, and here is your 2-minute tech tip on how to change the transmission oil in your Kawasaki KX85 or KX100 two-stroke. First things first, let's talk about tools and supplies. You're gonna need a drain pan, some rubber gloves to keep your hands clean, 14mm socket, a rag to clean off the drain bolt, and you'll need your oil to put back in the bike. For this bike, I am using the Maxima MTL 80 weight transmission lube. It also helps to have a measuring cup and a funnel. Step 2 is to start and warm up your bike for about 3 minutes or so, or until your motor is warm to touch. This will help the oil drain much easier. Step 3, next up, is to slide that drain pan under the bike, grab that 14mm socket, and take out the drain bolt underneath the motor here. Then also, to help the oil drain a little bit easier, take off the filler cap. Step 4, once completely drained, wipe down the drain plug area and replace the drain bolt. Be careful not to snug this drain bolt down too tight or you'll strip the threads. Step 5 is filling the bike back up with oil now. The KX85 and the KX100 both take 700 milliliters of oil. So I've got the measuring cup here. We'll fill it up to 700 milliliters, then take that funnel and then fill up the oil. After we're done filling, we'll replace the cap. Step 6 is now to check the oil level after filling the bike with oil. Remove the bike from the stand, make sure the bike is standing perpendicular, and then come down here and check the filler hole behind the backside of the motor here. There's a little notch in the case and the oil level should be equal with that notch in the case. All right guys, so that is a wrap on how to change your oil in your KX85 or KX100. For more awesome tech tips like this, make sure you go head over to the channel, punch that subscribe button. But until next time, we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.